Ah, we do have a little zoom here. It's an apple orchard. Might be a little blurry. I'm getting wet out here. See old things go to end up, huh? There's our Chauncey. What's he after? He's busy running. It's a nice rainy day. Whew. I'm getting wet out here. It's starting to pour. There's some trees that went down. Popple trees. The old Honda that is no more, and a few other miscellaneous things here. Need to make a trip to the junkyard. Yeah. I don't know if you can see some apples on that tree. Right there, we got some nice red apples. I don't know if you can see that or not. And this tree here, the old original one I first put in there, is just loaded. Last year there wasn't a single apple on there. Well, there were a few, not many. There's a flowering crab there. The colors are beautiful. And it's rain, 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 rain. Rain, rain. Raspberry patch. Gave us lots of good raspberries this year. There's our big original pine tree, way up there and all the way down. That's what Grandpa Freibold said we needed to chop down if we bought this place, because it would shade the garden too much. A few swings on there. And we keep on a-walking, and the chickens are out somewhere. They're probably hiding under the porch area, because it's just a rainy day. Well, our color has kind of disappeared from up by the house. Ooh, I heard a chicken. There's a chicken. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah, there's another one there, and they're saying, hey, it's raining out here. What's going on? Ah, there's our old rooster. Rooster Cogburn. He's kind of skittish at times. Yep. Got a couple little pink flowers up here by our little girl with the watering can. The birds are coming. Oh! Well, there you are. Well, hello, pussycat. Yeah, what you doing here? This kitty cat adopted us. Yeah, we call him Smokes. Hello, Smoke. Nope. Smoke's now turned into Shadow. Yeah, what's up, old Shadow? Huh? Yeah, you're a happy little cat. Chauncey says you've come to play. Yeah, we got birds up in there. Coming and going to the feeder. Meow! Meow! There are those pretty little pink blossoms. Yeah. Looking good here. Hey, pussycat. What's up there, huh? Says, got any food for me? Well, Chauncey, I'm going this way. Yeah, all the pretty little flowers lost their pretty color. Got a little bit here and there. A little bit here and there. Gotta work on the porch this fall a little later. Got some chickens running loose here. Whew, there they go. They were off to the races. Gonna get our septic system fixed hopefully this coming week. Yeah. And that is the lay of land at Lazy Acres 2. Picnic table. Kind of did a bottoms up there. And that's all she wrote for now. Ready to go in, Chauncey? Huh? Hey, pup. Are you ready to go in? Are you ready to go in? I think so. That's all she wrote. Yeah. That's where Shadow goes to get a little bite to eat now. Yep. And there we go home. Chickens are back. Here they come again. Da, da, da. Go lay me a nice egg, chickie.